Hi friends, now the topic is now we are going to talk about Python modifying strings. So modifying string, that is a modify what here the Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. Okay. Generally modify strings can be classified as uppercase, lowercase, remove white space, replace string, split strings. Okay. So the first one is uppercase. So you have to convert from lowercase to uppercase. That's why you have some built-in methods. So simply, for example, if you take that a value is here small k o t e s h small, okay, a c a d e m y, all are small letters. Now I have to convert from lowercase to uppercase. So that's why here print a dot, simply you are using that u p p e r upper, that is a default, I mean built-in function. Then the result will be, you will get that values all are capital letters k o t e s h a c a d e m y. Okay, that is the result for the first case. Similarly, lower cases. For example, a is equal to, all are capital letters. For example, if the input value is capital letter, string is capital string, that is a c a d e m y. Okay. Then you can write that expression for this value is, you are writing this print of the variable is a, and you have to convert from upper to lower. That's why you are using that lower, lower. Okay. Then you are having this parenthesis. Then the result will be, automatically result will be, you will get the small letters of small k o t e s h a academy, like this. That is the concept of this lower case. And third one is remove white space. Remove white space. At this moment, for remove white space purpose, here this is actual upper, this is inbuilt function, this is lower. For remove white space, we prefer that value is strip, strip. Okay. White space is the space before and after or after actual text, and very often you want to remove this space. Okay. For example, same example is a is equal to quotation space academy. We are having one white space. At this moment you have to get, and if you take a space I mean after y, then you will be get. So then you can remove the all expression of this space. Okay. So simply you can write this print of a dot strip, strip. Then you can use this. So then only you will get that result is, for example, after academy, if you give one space and then you can write the colon, after result you will be get as without space, white space. Okay. Next one is replace string. Replace string. So this inbuilt function is, that is replace. Okay. Replace method replace a string with another string. For example, now I have to write the function is here a is equal to quotation academy, quotation academy. Now I have to replace that value is print of a dot replace. Replace which string you have to this. Okay. For example, you have to a, that string variable is, string value is O, that is replaced by capital A. Then after execution of this, among them this is the actual O, that is replaced by K A T E, this or small letter as it is string, but only O is replaced by a value. Okay. This is the example for replace string. And a split. Okay. Split method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list items. Okay. Split you can convert to 2. Okay. For example, if you take that and input variable is A, you are taking that hello comma space world, simply you can take. Okay, then you can write this instruction is print A dot split. Okay, that inbuilt function is split for this one, split. Then you can convert it to variables, 2 strings like that you can take. At this moment, before that starting semicolon and ending semicolon, based on that space operation, that can be represented as this. Okay, you will get the result is in double quotation or single quotation, you are getting hello is one text and another one is wall. Okay, that is the representation of splitting. Okay, thank you. Here modify strings are implemented in PyCharm. So simply that for example, I am taking that the string is mega city Hyderabad, like that we are taking the string. In this concept, I would like to convert from lowercase to uppercase. So that's why I am writing print of. Here the variable is A dot uppercase parenthesis. Then you can run the program. Then you will get all are in capital letters. Okay. For example, if you take that is the same word, it can be represented as a Kotesh Academy. This is capital letters. It can be represented in terms of lower letters. So simply that lower letters. So all are actual input string is capital, that can be converted into, you need to convert it into small letters. Then run the program, you will get all are small letters. Next, sometimes you have to remove the space. Here in between Kotesh and Academy, there is a space. Now I would like to remove the space. That's why we are using that string IP, that is strip. So strip removes any white space. So simply that is called as string IP strip. Simply we are considering. Then run the process. After execution of this, you have to remove the spaces. That is actually white spaces we are considering. Okay, for example, if you take this at the end of the academy, we are using one space. Then after running the process, you will get this. Okay, within the symbol you have to use. Before that we are using one space, but it is considered as from one. So it is remove the white spaces from the beginning or end, not in between. Not in between. For example, we are having more spaces this, but as these spaces you will be get in this. But if you have the space at the start, that can be reduced, or you have end, that is also reduced. That is the main important instruction for this, that is a remove white space. Next one is replace string. So now I would like to replace the particular string. Okay, string or character, that is the print A of, simply I am taking that is called as replace replace. Which string I would like to change, that is actual K. So K, it can be represented in single quotation or double quotation. Simply that now I would like to replace the character is K, then you can space, and that value is O. After execution of that, you will get the same. That is actual Wutesh Academy. So that is K is replaced by the. This is the actual procedure for replace string. Next one is split. Split indicates that simply we are having that, an earlier theory expression we represent as splitting means it can be segregated as two parts. Actually here Quotation Academy is one word, but I am representing that value is split. SPLIT, split of whatever the string you have, then you can take that in bracket double quotation comma double quotation, or single quotation comma single quotation. After execution of that, you will get two words like that. Simply we are considering this expression is there are two types of words you have. Okay. So this is the procedure for split the data. So once again I am going to repeat that expression is whenever if you have the comma symbol, that can, then only you will get different strings. Here quotation is one item and academy is another item. Without comma it is considered as only one, like that you can take. So this is the meaning of split. Okay. Thank you.